Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently I saw some carjacking incidents here in Canada where someone deliberately hits your car and waits for you to come out of the car, and then they try to overpower your car and they have driven away. Now there is like in sometimes you can't do anything, especially when you have your family members with you, because for you their safety, your safety are paramount. But there's a security step that you can take that may protect you in some of these situations. A dash cam, I'm not going to talk about that. I have spoken a lot before, but this is wheel lock. So I carry it always, even though whenever even I stop even at gas station to pump gas, I put this on. When I go to plaza to purchase something, I put this on. Of course I lock my car, but this I always do. Okay. uh, like I don't I'll now let me tell you one thing. When I reach my driveway, I stop my car, I come out and go and open the garage door. Even that time I put this on. This is not gonna provide you 100% protection, but it may slow or it may deter a criminal from getting into your car. Think about it. This is not expensive and this may protect you in an hour when you need it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.